Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Daraz promo code on your phone, guys. So this actually works and it is super insane, guys. For iOS and Android, you can get a Daraz promo code. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. This is super insane, totally updated, guys. So if you want to get a promo code for the Daraz, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so to get the Daraz promo code, what we need to do is go ahead and go to this website right here. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Daraz. And as you can see, it comes up. So just press on it, press this button, and this will generate your promo code. Now bear in mind, it is going to ask you for your email address so they can send you the promo. So let's just wait for this to load here just so I can show you guys. But yeah, that's how you get the Daraz promo code, so be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. But yeah, it's going to say like activating reward, and then you're going to get a Daraz promo code. That's so cool. So as you can see, it says reward activated. I already entered my email address, but for you guys, you want to enter that in. And it's going to say time to get excited. We're generating a reward, and then it might ask you for some information like to register. So you just need to fill in like your name and address and stuff like this, as you can see. So yeah, I mean, peace out guys. This is super cool. Once you're done, just press continue, and then it will have you do a survey, which is pretty straightforward. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, we just got to answer these questions. So yeah, I mean, this is a simple survey, honestly. So after you're done with it, just go ahead and press I agree and continue. So let me just show you guys here. This is the end, so just press on this stuff and you're good to go. So it will tell you that you need updates. You can just press no thanks, no thanks again, and there you go. So peace out guys, this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, if this video works you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. But yeah, I mean, that's insane. Daraz promo code in 2024, guys. What more can you ask for? Really, this is so cool, guys. And it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.